Good evening friends, my name is Anand Kumar Sahu and in today's video I am going to explain you how to use split geoprocessing tool with Iterator. Here the aim of our video is to split the features as per rows. So here is my boundary feature class. So this is my boundary feature class. And what I have to do is I have to split it. So here is the rows, here are the rows, see, these are the rows, these are the selection, second this one is the selection. So I want to convert all these polygons which are in this feature class as a rows, and I want this polygon to be a separate feature class or a shape. For that I will require a split tool. Here in revenue village, see, this is the attribute revenue village name. These are all unique. See, if you see it, it's a unique. So it contains 19 rows. So if you select your attribute as a revenue village name and you split with RV name, RV underscore name, you will get 19 polygons as a shapefile or feature class. But if you split with subdivision, this subdivision, here some of the subdivision name are common, like Moinabad. See, if this is the Moinabad, and this is also your Moinabad. See, this is Moinabad. So here, if this is also Moinabad, if you select subdivision as your attribute in split, you will get a group. So here we will see there is only two group. One is Moinabad and Sevilla. This is second group, only two. We are having only two subdivisions, so we will get two shapefiles. But if you select RV name as your attribute, you will get 19 shapefiles. So here I have already created one tool. First I will clear this selection. Here I have already created one tool, and it is in my tools Anand folder, model builder, Anand model builder tpx. Here is my tool called split demo. If you right click, open it, it will ask you input. Input is your boundary feature class. Group by fields, this is field. Suppose if you want to split by revenue village name, you will get 19 polygons because these are 19. So you will get 19 polygon shapefiles or feature class. But if you will split by subdivision, you will get only 2 polygons or shapefiles because it is having only 2 part. Now we will do how I have created this thing, this split demo. I will explain it to you. Suppose here is my analysis tool. You require model builder, new. This is model builder 3 new. I require two things. First one is I want to iterate on row. What this iterator row selection will do, it will iterate on your table. It will iterate on your table and it will produce the output. So this will become one output, this will become other output, this will become third output. So same way it will generate all the outputs. So it will iterate over the table rows. Now I will require one more tool, copy feature. This is my tool, double click it. Yes, so here is my copy feature. So this is my copy feature. So I have selected iterate row selection, so it will iterate on your table, and this is copy feature. And right click on this, open it. Input table, you require an input table, that is your boundary. Field, suppose RV name, and if you want to skip null values, you have to check it on or okay. So this is my iterate row selection. Now I will make it as a parameter. From parameter, group by field. So this is group by field. Right click, create a variable, skip null values. This is my another parameter. So this will become parameter, this will become parameter, this will become parameter. Now I will rename this I boundary as group. For my convenience, I am writing this as group. Now I want this group output to be the input of feature class. So here is my input. So this will iterate as per your group. The output will goes to feature class and it will copy your feature. Now I will require one more thing. If you right click on this open, we don't require to change this input feature, only we require to change the output feature class where you want to. Here it is showing default path, but I don't want to save it in default path. I want to be saved in my workspace. So I have to create one workspace. This is variable. Here if you click on variable, if you go on this, just choose your workspace. Okay, so this is my workspace, so I will rename it as your output. So this is my output workspace. Now right click on this, open and assign. Here you have to assign it. Here you have to assign as percentage output percentage path backslash group, GROUP group. So this is the my output path percentage output percentage backslash percentage group. So this is my whole path. Okay, yeah. Now make it as parameter also. So your output workspace is your parameter. This is your input. Rename it as input. And everything is okay. So this is our tool. Now we require to save it. Save as. I want to save it in Anand tools, model builder, Anand model builder TBX, and TBX. Anand model builder TBX. I will save it as split demo 100. So my name of the model is split demo 100. Save it. Now just validate it. So everything is fine. Now we will go to catalog. We will refresh our toolbox. Refresh it. Now here you will get split demo 100 model. So if right click on it, open it, yeah, it is showing input output. If you want to change the sequence, you can change it from properties, parameters, and there you have to put it and you have to drag it like this, so it will change the order. Now here my input is boundary only. I want subdivision names. Output where I want to save it is in row split geodatabase. Okay, so this is my input feature class. This is my attribute subdivision. So it is having only two attributes. So it will create two feature class or save files. Here it will create feature class because I am using geodatabase. So run it. Yeah, done. This is my split. Refresh it. If you go, yeah, it is created one, but let's check why it is created one only. Remove it, and then you have to delete it. Here is my split demo. Same thing I have used. You can use here as a group. Instead of group, use your value. So this will become my path. Okay, save it, validate it, again go to my tool. Here is my tool, model builder. Just refresh it. This is my split demo 100. Right click, open. My input is boundary only, field is my subdivision, output skip null values, output is a row split geodatabase. Okay, run it. Yeah, done. Okay, let's check, refresh it. Yeah, it has created two feature classes. We will drag this and we will drag this. Yes, so here is your, so this is your one. I will change color so that it will appear different. Yes, and here is boundary. Okay, so here is your, this is your bound, these are all polygons, this is your Sebla and this is your Moinabad. So it is grouped as per the subdivision into two parts. This is one part and this is another part. If you right click and if you make it as black, see, this is our Sebla and this is your Moinabad. Now we will again run that tool. First I will delete this thing, delete it. Yes, so this is your boundary feature class. Now again I will run my split demo 100. Open it. My input is boundary feature class only, but here I will choose field name or attribute as revenue village. So it will generate 19 polygons because this contain 19 rows. See, 19 rows. See, these all are, if you count it, it will be a 19 only. So group by field is revenue village name, output is same row split. Run it. It is executing copy features. Yeah, completed. Again go to catalog, go to row split geodatabase, then refresh it. Again I will refresh it. See, it contains all your polygons as a feature class. If you take output as your folder, then it will generate your shape files. So if your output is folder, it will generate shape file. If your output is your geodatabase, it will generate feature class. I'm selecting it all, dragging it and dropping it to canvas. Yeah, done. So here are my features. It is generated as a separate feature class. So the tool has worked nicely. Now there is one more method to do split, and that is called split tool feature selection. So if you right click it on edit box, this is row selection only, and Yeah, I will explain this split tool feature selection in my next video, how to split tools using feature selection. So here I am concluding my video. Hoping you have enjoyed my video. Thanking you